bait buster. Oh yeah. Feels like a nice trout. Again on a DOA shrimp. Another decent trout. Alright, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what we're using today. Started the day off with the DOA bait buster, shallow running, greenback, glitter. Caught us a few in the morning, smaller ones. Usually does pretty good to start the day off, imitating the mullet out there. Both rods I was using, 7-foot Crowders, local company, great rod, lifetime warranty. If you haven't looked them up, go ahead and do that. Great builder. I haven't had any issues with them, had them for a few years now. 3000 series Stratic, lined with 15-pound. Other bait today, DOA 4-inch shrimp, half-ounce Fiji chicken. Seemed to be the best color. Started it off with a watermelon color. It was a little dirty out there, so we switched to the Fiji, and that really seemed to turn them on. Biggest trout was 25 inches, and it was caught on that right there.